Hi! Have you ever thought that with simple Python code you can predict the future? Well, probably not. However, there are models that predict politics, that predict economy. A very famous one is the key to the White House of Lichtmans. So, in this video, I will simply illustrate how to put that into Python code and how to use predictions to guess what will happen in this very important election that many people discuss about. Of course, it's not a video about politics, but simply about prediction in Python code, also for a bit of fun. Let's dive in the code. Who knows about Lichtmans model? Lichtmans model, in terms of data science, is a classification model. Based on certain parameters, it classifies the outcome, in this case of the US elections, and classification is either winner for the party in charge, which rules now the country, or loser for the same party. The challenger comes instead into power. Okay? 13 keys means 13 predictors. Okay? Classification predicted by these 13 parameters. We can see party mandate, primary contest. Okay, you can read in Wikipedia. Of course, it also gives the prediction for this election, but we will see this in the code. On top of this, a regression model has been built. Regression means that, in this case, the keys don't predict a category. So, will the election fall in category A or category B? Winner or loser? No. It predicts a numerical value. Is a linear regression, and means the value is a function of the sum of the keys. Okay? In this case, of the keys that favor the party into power, the incumbent. Let's see this in Python code. I also have it here in GitHub, but I run it on Google Colabs. So first of all, I import the necessary libraries, and here I put the keys to the White House, the value, keys and value that I get from Wikipedia into the Python dictionary. Simple. And I also explain a bit the keys for who wants just to read it here. I give here the source. That's it. At this point, the code to build the model. The false count is the count of the keys that favor the challenger. The true count, the same for the incumbent. The count keys, so the value from the counts, is true minus false, which assert whether the ruling party will stay into power or not. The exception, let's say the recession will come, or is already in this case happening. False. So if there is a recession, is sure that the challenger will win. If the economy during these 4 years of the ruling party has been strong instead, no, this parameter is true. Not particularly strong, but at least not technically a recession. Okay? Predicted percentage I put unknown because this condition is not into the paper that I just showed you. So apart from this exception, which is a recession, if I have a negative value, so I have more false than true, winner is the challenger. Predicted percentage is from the equation. Or if I have at least 6 false keys, again the challenger wins. Otherwise, the winner will be the incumbent party. Okay, means the party which now rules the country. Voila, I return the winner, the predicted percentage. I want to abstract this to make it reusable for any election. So I dissociate from this other function that predicts 2004 election. I put the challenger and the incumbent names, timestamp of the prediction, because of course I could cheat. I could make this prediction afterwards, too easy. So no. And then a message with all what I predicted, okay? And I return the prediction message. Voila. Let's run both of them. And let's run the prediction code. This didn't run. Come on. Yes. There we go. And now the results. Voila. According to this model, the incumbent candidate will win with 51.7% of votes. True or false? Nobody can tell. You can see the timestamp is Halloween evening, just before a Halloween party. And let's see if the model will tell the truth or not. However, the main point is not the prediction itself, is to see what is a classification, what is a prediction, and let's validate it in the future. As I said, for some fun. I hope you liked this, and if you did, please subscribe. Till the next.